everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we're in Ashridge. Let's go for a round. Follow us, please. Good for the treasure, my dear friends. My dear friend, here is free parking. It's not required to pay money.
They're not ripe yet, but these will turn into, you can see some of them here, they'll turn into blackberries.
That yellow tree and green tree. What's that tree?
That one there is a beach hill, and that
Yeah.
one, I'm not sure.
What's that tree one? What's that tree?
That one's a beech tree. There's lots of beech trees in here.
Yeah, lots of them.
Henry VIII used to
that one?
ride and go hunting. That one's, oh, that one's dead, I'm not sure what that one is.
This red one, what's
That's dead.
that?
Yeah. This is 400 years old actually. Bob's oak. It's 400 years old. That's a very old tree, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very old tree like our old house.
And you can't, yeah, your arms won't go all the way around it, will they? So even you and your mummy and your daddy and your all linked arms, you still wouldn't go around the trunk of the tree, would you?
No.
It's a very big and old tree.
They're very big old. I just smelled when rain comes, snails will come.
Yeah, when it's wet you get lots of snails and slugs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and slugs.
Yeah.
And worms. My dear friends, today this is place that we can't climb up. You can see the view. I want to see. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to